to my kitchen, and today I am going to show you how to make natural pineapple juice. Pineapple, apples and mango with a bit of ginger. And I'm about to start now to show you exactly what I am going to do. I've just cut up one whole pineapple. It's all washed and it's ready to go straight into my blender. And I've got some mango here and I'm going to put it straight into my blender. And I've got some apple here and I'm going to put it straight into my blender. I'm not going to put all of it, but I'm going to put most of it. And I've got 3 pieces of ginger. I'm going to wash them. And I'm going to cut them up in small pieces. And I'm going to put them straight into my blender. And I am going to add enough water to cover all my fruits. You don't need to add a lot of water, you just need enough water to cover the fruit. And I'm just putting my lid on. I'm going to turn my blender on and then start blending. Wow, that is looking really good, really good. It's all finished blending because you don't have to take long to blend it. You don't need a lot of time to blend it. So it's all finished blend. And it is now ready for straining. And I'm going to give my strainer a rinse. And I'm going to give my bowl a rinse. And I'm now straining my juice. Looking very nice. And I'm now straining my juice. Wow, it's coming out really nicely. It's all looking nice and it's coming out nicely. It's all looking really healthy. This is what you call natural healthy juice. Wow, that is looking really good. Really, really good. You can serve this juice over ice, or you can put it on your fridge to chill, whichever you prefer. I'm just going to have a taste now and let you know how it tastes. Tell you all about how it tastes and everything. Wow, really nice. This is what you call natural, healthy fruit juice. No sweet, no honey, no sugar, nothing at all. Just natural and healthy. Mm. Very nice. Mm. If you like my juice, please give it a thumbs up and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your juice. I'm out. Bye.